Hello friends, welcome to Technical Trends YouTube channel. I am Dharma. In this video, we will see Nifty and Bank Nifty's technical predictions for the fourth week of August, whether they are going to go upside or down, and also we will see the trend of S&P 500 and Reliance. As mentioned in my last week's prediction video, the Nifty has rebounded from the low of 11,145 and touched the high of 11,460 levels. Friends, if you look at any of our technical prediction videos, they are performing absolutely as predicted. All this you can track in our free Telegram channel. As mentioned, I will be coming soon with the gold and silver technical prediction videos, and also with different kinds of videos which will be most beneficial for you. So stay connected to our channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest and very useful videos, and also join our free Telegram channel for regular updates. So friends, let's start our main topic. Friends, if you see this US 500, which is S&P 500, we have been tracking this one. Now it has reached to the previous high, which is the all-time high, about 3397 or 98 range. So you can see here and here as well, it has touched that one, but it didn't cross. It's going to be major resistance for S&P 500. Now if it crosses, then only we can expect a Nifty also going further highs. This is going to be crucial for even S&P 500, at the same time Nifty as well. So we have to see this very keenly. So let's see Reliance as well. Friends, Reliance is underperforming now. It is in a mood of a little bit correction. So now Reliance, I'm expecting further down to 2050 or even up to 2000 or 2009, 1990 as well. So this can pull our Nifty down. So that is going to be the view of Reliance. And from 2000 onwards, is this going to bounce upside back or going to go down? That we have to wait and see in this week. If it goes down, then Nifty is going to go further lower levels. So now let's see our Nifty. So friends, Nifty pattern is here. So yesterday, in the sense on Friday, Nifty closed at 11371, and if we see last week video, I have mentioned that the mood was actually absolutely bearish. The Friday's candle and the fall when we have seen, but I did mention that this fall I am not expecting any way it is going to harm our Nifty's trend, and I have clearly mentioned that it will go upside only, and accordingly you can see that it went up to, as predicted, 11,460 level. So I have given max range up to 11,480 or 500. So it has tested that higher side range, and yesterday it has closed bearishly, in the sense on Friday, and I have given a call in my groups as well that I'm expecting next week somewhere 200 to 250 downside points in Nifty. Even here we can see one trend channel which is at crucial levels. I will show you by drawing. So friends, here this trend channel, now if it breaks, we can expect further down, but here I am expecting up to the level of 11,150 range from this level in this week. Especially in this week, it's going to be very tricky and more volatile. So basically, initially I'm expecting lower side. If it doesn't take support at least at 11,150 range or 160 range and bounces back upside, then if doesn't bounce, then we can expect further downfall, even 11,000, or if it breaks 10,950 is there as usual support. So that much I am expecting, but it has to take support at 11,150 range, and from there it has to go higher levels by breaking 11,465 range. So then only we can expect higher levels. At the same time, S&P 500, as mentioned, if it breaks above that resistance zone, then Nifty can also continue its upward journey. So friends, let's see the levels of Nifty. I'm expecting downside levels up to 11,290 or 11,190 to 150 range. If this range breaks, then we can expect further down to 11k or below 10,950. So make note of these levels, downside levels, friends. And upside, what I'm expecting is 11,460 or 70. That has to cross upside, then only we can expect further higher levels. So or 11,500 also is there, another resistance zone. So let's see, this is what I am expecting in this week, higher side Nifty. So friends, let's see Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty, we see that it didn't do much when we compare with Nifty, but yesterday it did very well. We can see here it has closed 1.36% upside. So the Nifty, I'm expecting downside. Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty levels, let's see now. Friends, honestly, if at all you feel that my prediction videos are helping you, don't forget to like, comment and share among your friends and family. That way we get motivated to bring more value added videos to you. So friends, let's see Bank Nifty levels. Bank Nifty, last week I have given lower side range up to 21,300 and upside 22,260. So you can see it went up to 22,400 and somewhere 21,350 or 400 range. So let's see this week levels. I'm expecting upside only 22,450 or 22,650, and downside clearly the support will be at 22,000 or 22,040 levels, absolute support levels. If it breaks 21,880, 21,660 or 21,400, so below which we can expect 21,000. So that we have been discussing since few weeks. So this area, if it breaks, then it can go further lower levels. So friends, let's see Nifty and Bank Nifty which side the levels are going to go in this week. And that's all for now, friends. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will benefit from this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest and useful videos. At the same time, stay connected to our free Telegram channel for regular updates. See you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.